There's some corn. And it's growing.
Are we gonna harvest it today or what?
Yeah, we're gonna harvest some. And if you notice, guys, I got my phone. It's teal like my mom's color. And we have the corn.
Sit down and then you can harvest it.
And then we also have flowers.
Okay,
So
harvest
how do you harvest?
it. Just push it down.
This-
Pull it out.
Like,
Push it.
like this?
Push it. Maybe down like this, maybe. Oh, go. Do it. Do it. Take it out. Yeah. One.
Where's the corn?
Yeah, it's in there. So put it in here.
And wait, after it, is it
Another
gonna,
one.
Is it gonna grow? Is it gonna
I
grow
don't
back?
know. It's grow another place. So do. It's gonna maybe grow right here or
Right here?
something. Okay. Pull it down. Push it
There's
down.
like this
yeah.
thing.
Go ahead. Pull it down. It's okay. You can do it. Hold your hand, the whole palm, and then use the other hand. Pull it down.
I can't even hold my phone.
Pull it down. Yeah. Pull this one down.
I literally
Then do it again. Lady, pull it down.
got it.
How many we have?
Two.
Two. Okay.
And then there's this one, right?
This one kind of tiny.
Yeah.
What happened to it?
I'm gonna put my phone right here.
Then how about the yellow one right there?
I'm gonna put my phone.
This one right here. Get that one. Here. Don't close it.
Because I don't want
Take
any
it down.
bugs in it.
Pull down. There you go. Another one.
Third.
And then right there, the big one.
Ooh, giant, fat, long one. Oh, whoa.
There you go. Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
it's so long. Okay, is there
Do
any?
you see anything ripe? Oh, right there. There's a yellow one. Right here.
Mom, I got one.
You did it. Here, the yellow one right here. There's two yellow. One right there. Just pull only that. Yeah. And then another one. The one next to it.
Oh, this one? Oh, this one's easy. Whoa. They don't really look like horns.
What?
They don't look like horns. They look like bananas.
Okay. Any more?
Oh,
Good.
oh.
You pull down the whole tree.
I just broke the whole tree. I broke the whole tree, Mom.
I think it's gonna die anyway. He's not gonna.
Whoa.
What?
No, the tree
It's
died.
okay. It's okay.
No, I actually fixed it.
Okay, get this one too. Maybe this one kind of big. This one. Push down.
Whoa, satisfying noise.
Okay.
I have three.
How many we have?
Let me count. We have 1, 2, is this one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. How about you want to get that one? The middle one.
Oh my gosh. I don't, oh, there's a lot of ants on it.
Ok, thôi để cho bà làm đi ha.
Ew.
Ừm.
Ugh. It just grossed me out.
See?
They're all gone. Ew.
It's done. So 11? No more? Is it big or small? Okay, 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
If
so
we had one,
we get one big giant pepper.
Yeah, it's very big.
Okay, watermelon coming.
Yeah, but I want it. It's huge.
Okay, all right, we're gonna need to go and cook some dinner.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, I hope you subscribe, like, and share for more videos. And click the like button. Bye.